much for doing really amazing right now, guys, okay? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can code your own game for free, guys. So we're going to be doing this, guys. So we want to open up our file location over here. You cannot see much, but it looks like this, guys, but I'm sorry if you cannot see it. I can move this though, but my recording, but you want to go to I think it's here, or it's here, I think, and you want to go to download. If it's not here, guys, you want to go to like desktop, and then you want to click on this. Now this will open up this for you, guys. Now we're going to be coding up our own game, guys, okay? First thing you want to type in is, let's think of something to write. Okay, guys? I think Alali wants to write it. Okay, Mom. Shut up! Shut up, guys. Shut up, Mom. Yeah. And today I think I want to you want to write in this 3, comma 1. I think it's like this one. Then point. No, not this one. I think it's like a point. Lines like this, I think. A few little lines here and a little of this, and so we can get our word 1. So this is going to be, I think, level 1, guys. Okay, no matter Karen is so annoying, or instead of being happy, instead of joking around, she's like shit. So, okay, guys, I think 1. So we're gonna put our 1. No explanation mark, so this is no, that's on level 1, so it's going to be our level 1 in this game. Then I'm going to be doing animation, I think, so 1 and 3, comma, and let's say pick a character. I don't know if I'm spelling character. I just don't like spelling of character, guys. It's so really annoying. Like, okay, let's just click E, and I just click E like this. Character. Okay, guys, and pick a character. And I think apostrophe, comma, and up, and so this is going to make our characters move. So you want to make them move, I think we want to make them move right first. So we're going to do right, and we're going to do this, I think these little things. So we're going to do this, comma, this, comma, this. And I think colon, and, or is it a semicolon? Okay, I'll just do semicolon, okay guys? Semicolon, and you can do a comma if you like, but semicolon, and 1, and we want to do our apostrophe. I don't think there needs to be a semicolon. Okay, so comma and our. So we're gonna. This is gonna apparently move our thing right to left. No, not this one. Left back to right again. So I think it's like going to move our thing on character. And this is a way to way so we can create our character. So it's going to be moving left and right, and after you do that you want to write in I think +1 3 plus, I think it's slightly 3 plus 1, so we can have a character at 1 plus, so 3 plus 1 up. So this is going to basically move our character up. And I don't think we need equal, then I don't think we need these little percents. I think we only need comma than these and percent up. So yeah, let's just write that again, and let's type in. We're gonna make a game, so let's think of a game like a game where okay, let's say pick a costume. So we're gonna pick, if you want to be yellow, pick a costume. Pick a costume, explanation mark. So we're going to be explaining them that we need to pick a costume. They need to pick a costume for their colors. So yeah, let's pick colors. Now this is going to be our designing, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do. We don't really need a space. Yellow. Oh, not this. And then we're gonna down, and then we're going to do. No, not this one. I think it's like yellow, comma, down, blue, comma, pink, comma, green, pink, I think slightly pink. Is there any other color? Okay guys, now, and we're just gonna click dot. So this is gonna give out rest of their things in this. Now as we have this, pick a character, and we have this, we're not done yet. We want to click I think one of these. This is basically going to 3.1.1.1, and I think we did this point over here. So we did this. We did these little things. I think we're now ready to do dots. Now these dots are basically continuous, so we can continue what we left off. Now you want to basically do this, underline it, and copy, but you don't want to copy to anything, you just want to click copy. Then you want to click onto, I think, file over here, click file, save as, just click one. I don't really care what it can be 1. Yes, I do want to replace it. Now after you've done it, you want to click edit, and then click paste. That's gonna make our same thing like we did before over here again. Now you want to delete it. You may be thinking, why do you want to delete it? Come on, you just pasted it. Well, at least when we paste it, we already have our thing on here, on our thing, so at least we have to paste it. Now you want to click onto file, I think, and then it's click save, and then click onto new, and there we have it, guys. You see happy now, guys? Now we already saved it, guys, so if we just click to edit and then click paste, we can always have our thing back. Now what you wanted to do now after you did your little coding things, and right means like this, so we want to spin our character right. Now your character, now we brought these 3 little dots, so you thingies and tiny little thingies. Now you want to go to this place over here. Now we don't need this anymore. Now we want to go to Paint 3D. Paint 3D. Now this is going to open up our Paint 3D, guys. So after we did our coding, here guys, we just finished our coding. Now after and the note down, so I have to just draw it in the paint on my computer. And at least I know this sound, guys. Now this is one and this is my other. I can't remember what one is this. Let's just go on to it. Oh, here I think I do. Okay guys, and this is another one. So if there's a quick way you want to make a game, just click this one. Come on, and then click edit. And then click paste. You see guys? You now and then paste your little thing. So now we just created another little game, but if you want to create another one, like here, just click, come on, edit, paste. See guys? Now we're gonna create our things. Now guys, I just don't really, don't worry guys. Now, come on, edit. You see it now? Let's try this one more time, okay guys? Like, we'll try it again. So you're cutting your game. Come on, edit, paste. Here guys, here we go now. Now you want to go to Paint 3D. Save it, of course, I want to save it. Okay guys. Now as we've done this, we want to draw something. We want to draw yellow. So we wanted to click yellow. Now this is going to be blue. Now you can choose your thickness. I think you can choose the thickness. I can't remember it, but I think you can. Yeah, it is over here, guys. It just needs full screen. Over here. No thickness. We want to here we go, guys. Here we go. I think it's like this. This is going to be a background, I think. So this is a character. This is our free character. Now we're going to be a free character. Now your character is painting it now. Now you need to paste your characters into this, so your character can follow. You're going to be following your codes and basically like drawing, and you're basically going to be animating now. Like what? As we were making a game animating, you may be thinking this, but you know when I start games, like things like any games, now they've got like things like where they show how to, just like that guys, we're going to put animation. We have to animate it so we can create that way our character is going to be moving, and we have to we are going to be moving our character. Okay guys, so it makes sense now, doesn't it? So we can put our animation into our coding. Now this is going to be our background over here. So let's just do that. So this is going to be our background over here. Now you may be thinking like that, we're just going to just paint over our character. Well, that doesn't matter guys, because if you go to here you can literally just paint your character again, but you cannot paint it the same color because you cannot never see it. Now yellow. Now let's create a snowman. Okay guys, now we're gonna create a snowman. I want animation. Just clicking if because I'm running out of time in this video because I don't have, my recording is going to stop. So if you want to see guys, there will be a part 2 onto this, but I'm not ending it now. Let's just create a few little things over here. But guys, I know it's really annoying when thing then. So guys, now we want to save it. So just click, just save it like this. I think now you will want to like. I think we can like how do I rub it out? How do I rub it out? I don't know how I can rub out. What is this? Guys, how do I rub out? If you know Paint 3D, guys, please tell me how. I don't know how to rub out because I know I'm going to make some mistakes there. And this is another one over here. I've created your little thing. You want to paste your little thing over here.